Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Sularsi. My student ID number 2320089. I want to explain a reading book for academic purposes. The title this book is More Reading Power. Reading faster thinking skills, reading for pleasure and comprehension skills by Beatrice S. Mixwellisi and Linda Jeffries. And this book expand for part 1 reading for pleasure, part 2 reading comprehension skills, part 3 thinking skills, and in the last part about reading faster. In these videos I want to explain part 2 in this book, that is about reading comprehension skills. The first, scanning is very high speed reading. Practice with scanning will help our learn to skip over an important words so that we can read faster. With scanning, we don't need to read the text, and we can take the answer of question that are about scanning, like us scanning everyday life, scanning tables, scanning newspaper listing, scanning magazine articles, scanning newspaper article, and scanning encyclopedia entries. The second, previewing and predicting. The aim of previewing is to help our to predict or make some educated guesses about what is in the book. We should develop the habit of applying these skills whenever we read. Previewing and predicting before our read can make a big difference. We can get some ideas about what our will read. That way you will begin to process the information far more quickly. The third, vocabulary knowledge for effective reading. We can get vocabulary like as guessing meaning from context in sentence, using grammar to guess word meaning, and recognizing word to connect ideas. The four topics. When we reading, we can must be know what is the topic from the book that we read. This topic will help our to knowledge what the text about and what general idea from the text. 5. Topic of paragraph. Each paragraph have topic. Paragraph is a group of sentences that are all about the same thing. That is, they all have the same topic. Example, it's not a paragraph because the sentences are about several aspects of life in the Trobriand Islands. Together, the sentences make no sense. 6. Main idea. Main idea of a paragraph is the author's idea about the topic. It is always a complete sentence that includes both the topic and the idea that the author wishes to express about the topic. The 7 patterns of organization. There are 4 common patterns. The first listing. In this pattern, the writer's main idea is stated in the form of generalization. This is followed by a list of supporting details. The second, sequence. In this pattern, the writer's main idea includes a series of events of steps that follow one after another. The third, comparison or contrast. In this pattern, the writer's main idea explains similarities and differences. The fourth, cause effect. The author used cause effect pattern and the eighth, skimming. Skimming is high-speed reading that can save you lots of time. You skim to get the general sense of a passage or a book. The nine, making inferences. Sometimes the topic of a text may not be stated anywhere directly. You must look for clues and try to guess what the passage is about. This is called making an inference. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.